OnePlus is getting ready to show how AI will play a bigger role in smartphones, starting with the upcoming OnePlus 13S. This new phone will be launched on June 5 and is expected to come with many AI-powered features that are designed to make everyday tasks easier, improve communication, and help you work more efficiently. OnePlus is not just adding AI for the sake of keeping up with competition. It's building smart tools with real purpose. According to leaks and official news, the company has created its own AI system called OnePlus AI. This system is made to improve how users interact with their phones by offering smarter, faster, and more useful features. From editing texts to organizing tasks and even translating calls in real time, OnePlus AI aims to be a helpful companion in both your personal and professional life. One of the key upgrades in the OnePlus 13S is something called the Plus key. It's a new button you can customize to open AI tools and shortcuts instantly. This makes it much easier to access useful features without needing to swipe through menus or give voice commands. It's all about saving time and getting things done faster. Another standout feature is AI Voice Scribe. This tool can record and translate your conversations as they happen, whether you're on a call, in a video meeting, or using a messaging app. It's especially useful for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to save important information during discussions. This feature also creates summaries of your call history and helps break language barriers in real time. By the way, have you used Voice Scribe feature on any other phone like Samsung S24 or S25 Ultra? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. OnePlus AI also offers smart camera features. For example, AI Reframe can suggest better ways to crop or reframe your photos, while AI Best Face 2.0 automatically improves group shots by fixing closed eyes and awkward expressions. These tools help you capture better memories without needing extra editing. With the OnePlus 13S, you'll also be able to take a photo of any important information, like meeting notes or reservation details, and instantly act on it. Whether you want to save it, translate it, or add it to your calendar, OnePlus AI gives you quick options right on your screen. Another feature is Mindspace, where all your saved content, reminders, and tasks can be easily searched using natural language. That means you don't need to remember exact file names. Just ask your phone in a simple way, and it finds what you need. To make the experience even smarter, OnePlus is integrating Google's Gemini AI deep into the system. This means smarter reminders, more accurate suggestions, and better cross-app performance on devices running Oxygen OS. OnePlus isn't trying to copy Apple or Google, it's creating something different. The goal is to provide high-end AI features without forcing users into a locked-in ecosystem or charging premium prices. With the OnePlus 13S, users will experience how artificial intelligence can be both powerful and practical, all while staying affordable. So if you're looking for a phone that helps you stay productive, manage time better, and even take perfect group selfies, the OnePlus 13S might just be the upgrade worth waiting for. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.